How to change language on VLC media player. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the language on VLC. So first thing you have to do is open the VLC media player. Now I have this video right here and this is the VLC media player. As you can see, I have English. Now if you have other language, or what you have to do is just open the VLC and go right here on this third option in the last here. Click on it and then click on the last option here. It's gonna be preferences, or you can just click on Ctrl P on your keyboard. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Here in the first option you will find the language option and you can choose any language you want. You have many options, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.